Kisii School, Tereri High School, Cardinal, and many other schools from Kisii did not let me down. Can you imagine if, as a Minister of Education, the schools in your area do very badly? Can you imagine what accolades one would get in a situation where the schools from your area, as Minister of Education, fails you? It would be a very bad day, isn't it? Yes. So I'm so happy to be here today, because last year when I was appointed, I came here and went to Tereri High School. I had a meeting with the principals and some leaders. I told them Kisii has had a very bad reputation, and that reputation is not deserved. It was a reputation where every person in the country used to say that Kisii or schools in Kisii wanaiba mitihani. Hiyo ni kweli ama ni uongo? So nikakuja nikaongea na principals. Nikawaambia tafadhali, mwaka huu watoto wetu niko sure kwamba kama mwafundisha hawatahitaji kusaidiwa kufanya exams. Ambia parents, ambia walimu, ambia kila mtu awache watoto wetu wafanye exams ndio wapate ile grade yao ambao ni yao. So the principals listened to me and they spread the word. And for the first time in the history of Kenya, the exams of 2024, there has not been a single complaint, a single finger pointing to the Kisii that we were looking at. So I am a very proud Minister of Education that we were able to pull that off, and we have changed that narrative. Now people know that the results that you got are your own results, and people from Kisii are able to pass just like any other person in the country. For the first time in the country, we did not whatsoever moderate the exams. We had a meeting and I spoke to His Excellency and we agreed that let the exams come out the way they are. And if the numbers are higher than we can accommodate, let it become the government's problem on how to accommodate the students.